Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x80010105 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what we have to do. First of all, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Now, corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter, click on Run and it will start running the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This done, the next one is to run the script to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you. Okay, copy the script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. This will run the script. Now I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.